GSP audit is very useful, and children are made aware why are we doing. This way, how much learning takes place.
Processing of the waste at the source itself is our motto.
Eating healthy is an essential lesson in life. We come to school to learn, and part of what we learn is healthy food and nutrition. We are constantly being made aware about the importance of a balanced diet and the morning breakfast during our morning assembly.
Kendriya Vidyalaya Ottapalam in Kerala has demonstrated ecological leadership by transforming their school into a green campus, as it undertook many resource efficiency measures.
In our school, we try to associate the environmental changes that is taking place and how to recover over it by adopting various methods.
To allow more natural light and ventilation into the classroom, it increased its window to floor area ratio from 27% to 34%.
Our school has installed a solar panel which has the capacity of 1 kilowatt, partially meeting the energy requirements of our administrative wing. Initially it was of half kilowatt, later it was doubled.
Underutilized rainwater harvesting system has been renovated and now stores about 50,000 liters of water, which is used in toilets and for mopping and gardening purposes.
Kerala is blessed with a season of about 6 months of rain, and if we harvest almost all the water, it can actually compensate for the remaining months.
Our storage tank has a capacity of about 50,000 liters of water. The water is filtered to the filtration unit near the storage tank, and the filtered water is used for cleaning, washing and also for other gardening purposes.
The pressure on the groundwater is reduced in this account.
The school encourages healthy eating, and all the children bring food from home, which they eat along with their teachers. A biogas plant in the school supplies gas to its chemistry lab.
The food waste produced by the lunch hour periods goes to the biogas plant.
We have a biogas plant in our school. Food waste is collected from all the classes and put into the biogas plant. Anaerobic bacteria decompose this food waste. The energy produced is used in the chemistry lab.
So that's why the cylinder consumption, purchase, everything has reduced.
Waste management is taken very seriously. The primary school has 2 dustbins for wet and dry waste collection.
We have adopted a novel practice of avoiding the generation of waste. Like the primary wing, there are 2 dustbins which have got a blue label and a green label, which they segregate as biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. But as they learn more about the environment, we have instilled in the children not to generate waste at all. So in the higher secondary classes, we do not have any dustbin at all, so that the children learn the importance of not generating waste. The best way of dealing with waste is by not generating it at all.
Although the school has had a compost pit since 2016, in 2017 it added a vermicompost facility and a biobin, which combined generates about 7 kgs of compost every month.
A real compost pit was made, and children were made to learn about what is a compost pit through assembly programs and science classes.
In the vermicompost unit, we use the red worms. Usually, we used to burn the leaves, which added to the global warming and air pollution in our society. But from the last 2 years, we are using those dry leaves for the vermicompost unit. In the vermicompost unit, we spray cow dung paste so that the process will be fast. We will get around 40 to 60 kgs in every harvest.
In addition, we have a no plastic squad. This is a work of 30 students from class 5. These students ensure that children are not bringing plastic to our school. It is a grand success, and the same thing is being introduced in the secondary section just before a few months.
Because of these 3 projects, the school waste management is working properly and smoothly.
The school's green cover, which stands at 45%, has been augmented by planting over 500 saplings in 2017.